What's up, everybody? It is Ben with Srkcycles.com, and today I've got a 2001 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. This is a really nice bike. We just got it in, and this thing is pretty cool. It fires right up, and it sounds good. It's got a Bluetooth audio system, which is super cool, which is definitely aftermarket. It's got that Screaming Eagle, got the 88 cubic inch, and the 5-speed transmission, and a few extra skulls just for you guys that like the skulls. So we got the back tire here. The back tire is looking really good. Plenty of life left there. This bike does have a little bit of wear on it. It is a 2001 and it's showing its age just a bit in a few spots. One of them being here on this rear fender. You can see a crack in the paint right there. I'm not gonna pick at it too much. But everything else back here in the rear is pretty good. I mean, we have a similar marking here on this corner, not quite as aggressive. Everything else is pretty good though here on the back. I got the turn signals and tail light. Got this super extra cool skull, gives it plus horsepower. Got the luggage rack. Here in the back, these things are speakers. We'll show those later. It does have the bags, these nice leather Harley Davidson bags. I do really like these bags a lot. They're in really nice shape. I guess I shouldn't say they're in really nice shape. They're in nice shape for being a 2001. The guy definitely rode it. Got the water bottle holder there in case you think you're Lance Armstrong while you're riding your Harley. Here on the exhaust, we have some of the imperfections. I'm not really sure what these marks are. I tried to scrub them off a little bit. I did not try that hard, to be quite honest with you. They did not come off. I'm not sure what that is from. But it is the Vance and Hines pipes. Got the dual exhaust. Everything else is looking pretty good in here. This side cover is super clean. I literally just wiped a cloth over it and it came right to life. And in here in the motor bay, everything is looking pretty good. Again, it's very shiny, got a lot of chrome on it, looking good. Got the skulls there. I did miss this back here on the passenger peg. There's some rusting in here that you can see. It's not really that bad. I think maybe you can get that out. It's also a 2001, got some miles on it. This is a little bit of a higher mileage bike, but it runs really nice. It sounds really good. Got the floorboards, got the rear brake, got the crash bars, another one of the speakers for the sound system, and I really like that logo. That's a cool logo on the tank. The tank is looking pretty good. There's some light marks right in here. Nothing too bad. But up across, there's some light, like almost like scuffing, like from rubbing a cloth or something, a little bit abrasive there, but not deep scratches, definitely not down to the paint. Got some scratching right here by the fuel cap. Coming down around the crash bars. Got a little bit of wear right here. Looks like the guy probably had some highway pegs on it, took them off to put them on his new bike. Coming up here on the fork tubes, everything is looking good. No rust, no pitting. They are really nice looking. Got the solid wheels. That was factory for the 01 Fat Boy. And got that front tire. Front tire's got plenty of life on it. Here on the front fender, there's some imperfections. There's like a scratch there, like a ding. A few chips right here along the front. And a chip right there. But guys, there's another one. This is still a really nice bike for an 01. Do not miss the test drive that Sean does with this bike. It will be up on YouTube. And you're not gonna believe it, but this thing's got 40-some thousand miles on it. Still runs like a champ, fires right up, and looks pretty nice for being a 2001. Love that 88 cubic inch motor. Does have the 5-speed, which is nice. The soft tail logo there. Again, coming on the tank here. Got some light markings here on the tank. Looks like some light like scuffing, but not scratches. Won't cover everything in the Engine bay looking good. It's got the shifter. Does have the heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter, especially when it's matched up with the floorboards. Transmission's looking pretty clean. The belt-driven transmission. Got that skull there. Got the passenger pegs. It does have a tender in here on the side cover. That's looking good. There is the fuel shut-off and the choke. This is a carbureted bike. And coming along back here to this is the other Harley Davidson leather bag, just like on the other side. Looking good. There is the setup for the Bluetooth audio system that I talked about earlier. Got this really nice sissy bar at the passenger seat, at the driver's seat. Got this leather tent cover. You got the gauges, check those out. Everything real shiny up here on top. Got the Z-bars. Controls, mirror. Controls, mirror. Turn this thing on for you guys. See if it fires right up for me. Hopefully it does. Right to light. Sounds pretty sweet. Let's make sure the signals work. Got front signal and back signal. Check out the other side. Got back signal and front signal. There you guys go. Like I said, this is a 2001 Harley Davidson Fat Boy. Do not miss out on the test drive. Do not miss out on this bike. It is not going to last long. It is time to sell bikes, and this is going to go quick. Thanks for watching, guys.